The internet is a vast marketplace offering everything you could ever want: movies, music, software, and games. But most of these things cost money, and the word free is irresistible. Hackers know this. Free is their bait, preying on our desire to get something for nothing. This desire creates a blind spot, making even smart people click links they shouldn't. The hacker's playground is built on human psychology, not just code. You see an ad for a new movie, still in theaters, available to stream for free. Excitement overrides suspicion. Or a $60 game, suddenly free to download. Temptation wins. Hackers aren't just attacking your computer, they're attacking your decision-making. The promise of a free digital good can override your better judgment and security training. It's a simple, timeless trick, the illusion of getting something for free. Hackers don't need to be technical geniuses, they just need to understand people. Someone seeking free software is less likely to question the source or wonder about the motive. This is the foundation of countless scams and stolen accounts. The hacker presents an offer too good to be true, then waits for human nature to do the rest. It's a game of manipulation, and the prize is your data. Digital theft isn't just about complex code, it's about exploiting what people want. Hackers create a path of least resistance for your desires, leading straight into their trap. They're not selling a product, they're selling a feeling, the thrill of a great deal. While you enjoy that feeling, they're quietly taking everything you have. The price of free can be your entire digital life. In the hacker's playground, your curiosity is the only invitation they need. Before we go further, a warning. This is for education, not exploitation. The goal is to arm you with knowledge, not to teach you how to commit crimes. By understanding how hackers think, you can build better defenses. This is a survival guide for the digital world, not a how-to for criminals. The techniques described are illegal and can lead to real-world consequences. Use this information as a shield, not a weapon. Protect yourself, your family, and your digital assets. The path of a black hat hacker is lonely and destructive. Learn from others' mistakes, not your own. The art of deception can be used for good or ill. Choose wisely. Knowledge is your best defense. It makes the hacker's tricks obvious. Read with the mindset of a student, not an apprentice. The internet is powerful but must be handled with care. Your security starts with understanding the threats. Let this be your first step toward digital safety, not the dark side. The choice is yours. Choose integrity and protection. Phishing is one of the oldest and most effective tricks. Hackers send messages that look like they're from your bank, a streaming service, or a store. The message creates urgency. Your account is compromised, your subscription is expiring, or you've won a prize. There's always a link, the hook. Click it, and you land on a site that looks real but isn't. You're asked to log in, and when you do, your credentials go straight to the hacker. Now they have the keys to your account. Imagine getting an email from your favorite gaming platform. Unrecognized login detected. Verify now. Fear kicks in. You click, log in, and think you're safe. But you've just handed over your account. The hacker can now access your games, your payment info, and lock you out. They might sell your account on the dark web. Someone else gets your games for cheap at your expense. All it took was one deceptive email and a moment of panic. Phishing turns your digital property into someone else's free prize. The real danger isn't the technology, it's the manipulation. One click can cost you everything. Stay alert and don't take the bait. Fake giveaways are digital Trojan horses. Hackers offer free access to expensive software, streaming, or games, but there's a catch. You see these scams everywhere: social media pop-ups, shady sites. The offer is tempting, especially for pricey items. You download a key generator or crack, and it seems to work. But in the background, malware is installed: keyloggers, ransomware, or remote access Trojans. For example, a student downloads a cracked design program for a project. The file does nothing, or so it seems, but spyware is now running, monitoring every move. The hacker isn't after the software. They want passwords, credit cards, or social accounts. The free download was just the delivery system. Focused on getting something for free, the victim opens the door to the attacker. Downloading from untrusted sources is one of the most dangerous things you can do online. The price of free can be your entire digital life. Don't let a fake giveaway become your biggest loss. The most powerful hacking tool isn't code, it's a well-told lie. Social engineering manipulates people into giving up secrets. Hackers know the weakest link is always the human. We're trusting, helpful, and easily flustered under pressure. Social engineers exploit these traits, hacking you, not your computer. A hacker might call, pretending to be tech support. "We've detected a virus, let us help." They sound professional, use jargon, and create urgency. Their goal? Get you to reveal your password or grant remote access, or you get a message from a platform admin. Your account will be deleted in 24 hours. Verify ownership now. The threat feels real, so you comply. Minutes later, you're locked out and the hacker controls your account. They can access your messages, scam your friends, or blackmail you. No code was needed, just persuasion. Social engineering turns your own psychology against you. The best defense is skepticism. Question every request for sensitive info. Don't let urgency override your judgment. If in doubt, verify through official channels. Your caution is your strongest shield. Sometimes hackers skip the tricks and go straight for your password. With a list of usernames, they use brute force attacks, trying every possible combination until they get in. Short, simple passwords fall in seconds. Dictionary attacks use common words, names, and patterns. If your password is on the list, you're vulnerable. Hybrid attacks mix words with numbers and symbols. If a form is breached, hackers get hashed passwords. They hash their guesses and look for matches. Using common or reused passwords is the biggest mistake. If you use the same password everywhere, one breach can compromise your entire digital life. Hackers try your credentials on every major site. This is credential stuffing. One weak link can break your whole chain. Don't make it easy for them. Unique, strong passwords are your first line of defense. Defense starts with strong passwords. Length and complexity matter. A short password is cracked in seconds. A long one could take centuries. Use passphrases, random words strung together like correct horse battery staple. Add numbers or symbols for extra strength. Use a unique passphrase for every account. Can't remember them all? Use a password manager. It creates, stores, and fills in passwords for you. Just remember one master password. Make that master password extremely strong. Even with strong passwords, add a second layer multi-factor authentication, MFA. MFA requires a temporary code from your phone or an app. A hacker might steal your password, but without your phone, they're locked out. Always enable MFA, especially for email and banking. These simple steps make you a much harder target. Strong passwords and MFA are your digital armor. Technology helps, but your vigilance is your best defense. When you get a message asking you to click a link or download a file, pause. Look for red flags, spelling errors, urgent language, generic greetings. Hover over links to check the real URL. If it doesn't match the official site, it's a trap. Be skeptical of free offers. Ask why someone would give away expensive software. Never download from untrusted sources. Stick to official sites and app stores. Verify scary messages independently. Don't click links, go to the site yourself. If someone calls claiming to be support, hang up and call the official number. Always take control of the communication. Trust, but verify, every time. Your caution can stop most attacks before they start. The digital world is part of daily life. Protecting yourself is essential. Hackers rely on tricks and your lowered guard, not magic. By understanding their methods, you take away their power. Security is a habit. Make safe choices every day. Use strong, unique passphrases and a password manager. Enable multi-factor authentication everywhere. Be skeptical of unsolicited messages and too good to be true offers. Think before you click. Your goal isn't to be unhackable, just a harder target than most. Embrace healthy paranoia. Question and verify everything. Caution lets you use the internet freely and confidently. Your digital safety is your responsibility. Stay informed, threats evolve, and so should your defenses. If you found this helpful, join our community for more tips and alerts. Stay smart and stay safe.